Baby, good morning from here. Um, I did sleep well. Not for long, but I slept well. Now going for lunch. I just came back from the gym and had a shower. I'm leaving tonight, going back to Doha. I'm sure you're still awake. Um, having your vino while relaxing and watching TV or listening to your wonderful music. Anyway, I'll go now for lunch. I'm with some of the crew, and then go back here in our room, and then we'll sleep and relax. I need sleep before the flight. It will be a long flight going back to Doha. I'll talk to you later before I go to bed, before my flight. Okay? I love you, baby. Good night. Good night. I'm hugging you while you'll be sleeping. Mwah. Baby, I love you.